idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term flipped may be also translated as wing-footed, since their flipper to look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of a round of applause for Sea Lion Brand. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? A round of applause for Sea Lion Brand. As you can see, their bodies covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. They may also use their whiskers to aid and navigation, or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small sternal ears give them a good sense of viewing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color visions. In the wild, may inhabit waters close to shore, flat rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Well, check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming ability that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations. Yeah, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're thought to recognize and avoid underwater mines. All right, ladies trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! Now, this time, could you please salute and make this one loud? All right, guys, are you ready? Yes! Hey, guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute, everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, members, what first? The ring. Go ahead and get the ring. Sea lion threats. And they got it. A round of applause for Isis and Ira. Great job, ladies. And another one. They asking for it. So, trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Go, Isis. Careful, Isis. Oh, one more by Clara. Okay, steady it. Fantastic! A round of applause for Sea Lion Brand. Excellent work, ladies. Now, this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion Brand? Hey, guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, hit it, guys, go! Let's move it! will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a tranquil environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are stewards of our planet, and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of ICC and Trainer Bina, Myra and Trainer Johnny, all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sea lions.